Abeguel Magsucang and welcome to my channel. So, for today's video, we're going to discuss on how to convert or transform from the general equation to its standard equation of a circle wherein the center is an HK. So before we proceed, we should know that the circle have two standard forms. First is the standard form where the center is in its origin, where the second one is the standard form where the center is in HK form. And that is what we're going to solve first. So as you can see earlier, this is the general equation of a circle, and this is the example that we will going to solve for today. So before we will solve it, here are the steps on how to solve the standard form of a circle using the general form. First, we should take the constant term and move it to the other side. Second is completing the square where we all group the all x's in one parenthesis. Same goes to the y's. How to complete the square? In completing the square, we divide the middle term by 2 and we will get the square root of its quotient. Same goes to the y's. Don't forget to copy the sign and the constant term. And the third one is factoring. So for your better understanding, I will show you how to solve it step by step. So let's watch this.
Given example is x squared plus y squared plus 8x minus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0. So, the step that we have to do in converting the general equation to its standard equation where the center is in HK is we have to take the constant term and move it to the other side. To do that, we have to add 8 in both sides. Or it depends in the given value of the constant term. So here we have negative 8, so we have to add 8 here and also here. And we have to cancel both. So this will give me x squared plus y squared plus 8x minus 2y is equal to 8. So the constant term
Is now in the other side.
The second step that we have to do is we will apply the completing the square where we will all group the all x's and y's or the x terms and the y terms. To do that, we will have to group them and put in a parenthesis. X squared plus 8x, and we have to leave a little space here.
So in the y terms, we have y squared negative 2y, and we also have to leave a little space here.
Now, what we will going to do is we will complete the square of this and we will complete the square of this. X divided by 2 is 4, and the square root of 4 is 16. Number that we add here is the same number that we also have to add here. We have to divide the middle terms. Divided by 2 is 1, and the square root of 1 is 1. So we add 1 here, and we also add 1 here. So this is the second step. So the third step is factoring. That we have to do, we have to put a parenthesis here, squared plus parenthesis for the y's equal squared, then equal to our radius is 25 squared. Copy the sign
Of the middle term.
So the square root of x squared is x, and the square root of 16 is 4. And the square root of y squared is y, and the square root of 1 is 1. X plus 4 squared is the factor of x squared plus 8x plus 16, And the y minus 1 squared is the factor of y squared minus 2y plus 1. This is the standard form wherein the center is in HK. The value of our center is negative 4 and 1. Radius. Our radius is the square root of 25, which is 5. And writing the value of our center is, we will put opposite sign of this value. So as you can see here, we have positive, and our final answer, we have negative 4. And here we have negative 1, but our value in our center is positive. So we will have to write the opposite of this.